Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Today we have 4 math activities to do. So this video might be a little bit long, but you need to make sure you watch all the way through so you know what to do, okay? And I know it might seem like a lot, but it's not too hard. I know you're going to be able to do it because you're all so smart and working so hard at home. All right, so let's get started with the first activity. So on this first activity, you're going to pick out a few numbers that are special to you. So numbers can be special to you. You might have a favorite number. You're going to look at your chart, your 0 to 99 chart, or you can look at this one down here, and you're going to pick out some numbers you like. So I put an example of what I said. I said I like the number 2 because I have 2 sisters. So the number 2 is a special number to me. You can use my sentence down here and replace it with your special number. So I might also say I like the number 26 because my birthday is January 26th. So that's another special number to me. All right, I want you to pick some special numbers out and tell me them or tell someone around you. What's your special number? Wow, that's a good one. If you have some more that you want to tell someone near you, you can pause the video right now and talk about this with whoever you're with, okay? Let's go on to the next slide. Let's see. Okay, let me move myself real quick over to here. Okay, so for this one, you're going to need your 99 chart. If you do not have it, though, that's okay. Because guess what? You can just print one out from the internet. All right, so we're going to cover some numbers, okay? So I've listed all the numbers we're going to cover on this chart. You can use anything you have at home. I'm going to use these little blocks to cover my numbers. If you don't have these blocks, that's okay. You can rip up a piece of paper and use that. Maybe you have some pennies. You can use anything. All right, so the first number we're going to cover is 58. Okay, 4, 67, 23, 48, 52, 24, 45, 27, 26, 38, 32, 74, 42, 76, 15, 35, 63, and 25. Okay, if you missed me saying one, you can look up here to where I have them all listed out and cover them, or you can go back and listen to me say them again. Remember, if anytime you're watching any video, you can just pause it if you need to get something, or if you need to just take some time to do some work. You can just pause it and then hit play. All right, so now we have all our numbers covered. All our numbers covered, it's going to make a picture. So look at your paper and see if you can figure out what picture that is. It's a secret picture. All right, so now I want you to tell someone you're with what you think the picture looks like. So you're going to say, the picture looks like... You can tell me too, I'm ready to listen. What do you think the picture looks like? Wow, I see that too. All right, let's go on to our next activity. All right, so for this activity, we're going to cover, so I want you to remove all the blocks or whatever you use to cover those numbers from your paper. So I'm going to take all mine off. Okay, so we're going to cover the even numbers from 0 to 9. So in this first row, let me get my pen out. Oh wait, let me highlight. So we're going to be looking in this first row. Okay, we're going to cover all the even numbers. But before we do that, we need to talk about what even numbers are. So I found a video for us to watch. So let's see if I can find our video. Let me get it to pull up. Okay, so here it is. Let's watch this together.
I was exploring an enchanted wood.
So these are even numbers that are between 0 and 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's see if she tells us what makes them even.
Numbers all share one trait. You can split them down the middle. If they make pairs, you've solved the riddle. Because 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 2 makes 4, it's true. Then 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 4 plus 4 makes 8 makes 6. Numbers big and small. Today we're gonna count them all. Some are even, some are odd.
So all the numbers that aren't even are called odd numbers. So all numbers that aren't even are called odd. All right, let's go back to our work. Okay, so from the video, we learned what our even numbers are between 0 and 9. So even numbers have groups of 2 in them. So let me get my pen out. So for example, if I have 2 circles, is that a group of 2? Yeah, so that's an even number. What if I have 4 circles? Well, I see one group of 2, and I see 2 groups of 2. So I have groups of 2, so that's an even number. Okay, so between 0 and 9, do you remember from the video what she said our even numbers were? Does anyone remember? That's right, they were the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, so you can cover those on your paper. Those are all of our even numbers. Does anyone remember what all the numbers that weren't covered are called? That's right, those are called odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are all odd numbers. All right, good job. This is kind of a tricky thing, so you guys are really smart for learning it. Let's keep going. All right, this is the very last thing you're going to do for me today. You're going to finish the Who's Missing page in the packet. Now remember, if you don't have the packet, you can still do your work, right? You can just do it on a separate piece of paper. So you're going to look at this chart. You can use your 99 chart to help if you need help. You're going to fill in all the missing numbers for me, okay? That's all of the math work you're going to do today. Remember, you can go back in this video and pause it where you need to work, okay? If you need help with anything, let us know. Remember to be sending your work in to your teacher so she can see how great you're doing at home. All right, have a great rest of your day. Bye.